Welcome to Steps Treasures Chest. Steps Treasures Chest is a store on eBay. We sell vintage electronics, vintage audio and video, and plus more things too. So today we're doing a test on this little white Panasonic boombox. The model number is right here. It is RXFS 430. It's RXFS 430. So we're going to do a test. So I'm going to press play and then we're going to test it. And like that. There's little problems. You see some of the letters got scratched a bit. Like right here, there's some. So I'm just going to show you that. So we're going to do a test. We're going to test on the cassette, and then we'll do a little audio test, a radio test. I'll flicker the channels because, YouTube, they don't want you to play copyright music, So like that, I'm not selling the music. I'm not making profit on it, and like that. So we're going to press play. Let's try. This is non-copyright written music, which I copy from YouTube. So you can see it's tuning there. It plays very, very loud. The tone is good. That's how loud you can hear it. Running back to my old life. Turn it down to a nice volume. High is on. So like that. So you see it turning on there. So like that. We're gonna stop it. Then we're gonna do a rewind. Show you the rewind is working. Then we'll do like fast forward. You see the fast forward going. And then we'll stop. Then I'll eject there and show you the cassette. It's good. It did not eat the cassette. So now we're going to do a radio test. I'm going to switch station. If I find a talk station and like that, we'll stop there and we'll listen for a minute. These copyright stuff, I just find it so here. So we're going to put it on that.
Décentralisation. Ce qui est très étonnant, c'est une liste du B qui dit qu'il ne peut pas avoir peur de se mesurer, puis qui prend l'engagement de se mesurer non seulement avec les autres provinces, mais avec les meilleurs.
Let's find an AM station. I might not catch AM really good because I live right in the mountains.
De votre habitation par un système alimenté par une énergie renouvelable comme l'électricité.
So that's a station on the AM.
Plus économique et qui n'émet aucun.
So if you're interested in buying this Panasonic, go to Steps Treasures Chest on eBay. And like that, it will be for sale there, and and go check it out. So I'm gonna let you go. Goodbye from Steps Treasure Chest.